After you download your Mockup PSD file, open Mockup Clouds Editor. Drag and drop your PSD file into the editor window. On the right-hand panel you will see your layers. You can hide a layer by toggling the eye icon. This hoodie mockup is fully customizable. You can edit the garment color, drawstring color and type. This hoodie is also set up for multiple artwork placements. Edit the garment color to any color you would like. Layers that are locked should not be edited. Select the layer for the artwork placement you would like to update. Double-click on the layer icon. A second window will open up. Hide the temp artwork and drag and drop your artwork. Resize and place as needed. Click to place the artwork and then to save the Smart Object window. You should see your artwork updated on the mockup. Update the garment color. Double-click on the hood color layer to open the color selection window. You can choose from any color you would like.
You drive me crazy.
Once you have your color set, click OK to save. Repeat the same steps to update any other artwork layer you would like to use. Hide any artwork layers you do not need. Choose which drawstring type you'd like. This hoodie mockup is set up for both a knot tip and metal tip. Update the drawstring color and save. Update the inside tag label with your artwork. Double-click on the layer icon to open artwork window. Hide the temp artwork. Drag and drop your artwork, place and save Smart Object window. You will see the updated label artwork on the mockup.
Yago, bitch, you drive me crazy.
Once you are done updating your mockup, click to export as an image file. PNG works best for most uses. You can edit the image size and quality. Click to save. The file should download to your Downloads folder. Check out our other mockups at our tscollaborative.com. Follow us for more content. Let us know what you think. We would love to hear from you.